The Volkswagen Beetle, which is also called the Käfer in Germany, is one of the most famous cars ever made. The Volkswagen Beetle was first made by the Volkswagen Auto Group. By 2003, more than 21 million Beetles had been made, making it one of the most popular cars of its time. The 2025 Volkswagen Beetle will get a lot of changes that are meant to appeal to people who want to buy electric cars. Volkswagen's new MEB base, which is also used in their electric models like the ID.3 and ID.4, will be used in the 2025 Beetle. This is because electric cars are becoming more popular. It's just a story right now, but maybe it will give you ideas in the future. Better safety features, more customization choices, and, of course, the ability to offer a longer range with faster charging are some of the other updates that are expected. With a design that is better for the environment and for drivers, the 2025 Volkswagen Beetle should be a more modern form of the car while still staying true to its legendary roots.